Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Esther Harlan. Today's video my mom is going to show you all how to make pineapple kesaribath. It's a delicious South Indian sweet made with rice and pineapple. So without further ado, let's begin with the recipe. First take a bowl, add 2 cups of rice and rinse it twice. Then take a pressure cooker, add the rice. Then add 3 cups of water. One tablespoon ghee and cook it for 2 whistles. Now take a blender, add the chopped pineapple and blend it to a smooth paste. Now take a pan, add 2 spoons of ghee and 10 to 15 cashews. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Now transfer it to a plate. In the same pan, add boiled rice. Two cups of sugar and cook it for 2 minutes until sugar is dissolved completely. Then add blended pineapple paste. Stir well. Cook it for about 5 minutes. Now add 1 spoon ghee.